At LinkGraph, we know there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all approach to search success. That's why we created the Order Builder, so you can customize your own SEO services to better meet your site's needs or to produce better results for your clients. We offer every SEO service and deliverable a website needs to improve search engine rankings at the right price, including services for authority building, content, web development, local SEO, analytics, SEO software, reputation management, technical SEO audits, and more. Here's how it works. Simply click the service category to expand the section and browse all of the services we offer. Each service has an overview description, but to learn more about a service, click on its title for details on what the deliverable includes. Once you've decided to purchase a service, select the variation that best fits your needs. With each addition to your order, you'll see a preview in the menu to the right. You can also adjust your quantities from the Order Preview menu. After you've added all the SEO products you need to build your perfect campaign, simply click Proceed to Payment. Enter your payment information, then click Pay Now. After you place your order, one of our SEO campaign managers will reach out should they need access to your website or additional details for your order. If you're still unsure of which products are best for your campaign or have a request that is not found on our SEO Order Builder, give us a call or click Schedule a free consultation to speak to one of our customer success representatives. Use the Order Builder to create a custom campaign within minutes, and with every order, know you'll receive the outstanding customer service LinkGraph is known for.